Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walkthrough of one of our latest SUVs we have new in stock. This is a 2018 Jaguar F-Pace diesel V6S all-wheel drive. The vehicle is a ULEZ compliant Euro 6 diesel and has an amazing specification. To start with some of the features, you've got the optional Corris grey metallic paint, the 22-inch 1020 style alloy wheels painted in satin black with the gloss black sections. You've got the red painted brake calipers as part of the S model inclusions. You've got privacy glass as an optional feature. You've got the S black styling package, which gets you some of the exterior features being displayed here in gloss black. These match up very well with the alloy wheels. You've got a full leather interior as standard with the optional memory package, which gets you the 18-way movable sport seats, the driver's seat memory on the door, the 4-way lumbar support and the folding door mirrors. You've got your leather-wrapped multi-function steering wheel where you have access to cruise control. You've also got access to your heated steering wheel function, which is part of the cold climate package. That also gets you the heated washer jets and the heated front and rear seats. You can see access to your heated front seats through the centre screen and your heated rear seats through the buttons in the back. You've also got the optional rear USB chargers. The optional sliding panoramic sunroof is visible overhead. You've got the optional dual view touchscreen display, the optional digital driver's display. You've got your dynamic driving modes accessible on the centre console here, which also display on the centre screen. Your drive selector, your climate control functions, your push to start button. On the centre screen again, you've got access to some of your infotainment features such as DAB radio and also your reversing camera. Lastly, in the rear of the car, you can see that you've got the optional rubber boot liner and the optional set of waterproof floor mats with the Jaguar branding. If you'd like any more information on this 2018 Jaguar F-Pace S all-wheel drive, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end or inquire through our website.